Hello everyone and welcome back to Eliza English Stories, where we make learning English simple, easy and fun for everyone. I'm so glad you're here today because we have a really important topic to talk about. In this video, I'm going to help you learn how to speak fluent English. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or if you've been learning English for years. These tips will help you speak more confidently and naturally. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like you understand English when you're in a classroom? Or when you're watching a YouTube video like this one? But when you try to speak in real life, it feels very hard. Maybe you've experienced that moment when you want to say something in English, but you forget the words or you don't know how to put them together. You might feel shy, nervous, or even frustrated. If that's happened to you, you're definitely not alone. Many people feel exactly the same way. But the good news is that you can get better at speaking English. Speaking fluently doesn't mean you have to be perfect. It means you can communicate clearly and smoothly. And I'm going to show you how to do that with simple steps that really work. Step 1. Make English part of your daily life. The first and most important thing you need to do is surround yourself with English as much as possible. This is called immersion. You don't need to travel or live in an English-speaking country to do this. You can create your own English environment right where you are. Try to listen to English every day. Watch English movies and TV shows. Listen to English music and podcasts. Even if you don't understand everything at first, that's okay. The more you listen, the more your brain will get used to the sounds and patterns of the language. Try to listen actively. This means you should focus on what is being said. If you hear new words or phrases, write them down and look them up later. Then try using them in your own sentences. Another small but powerful change is to switch your phone, computer, or tablet to English. When you see English every day on your screen, you start to learn new words naturally. You will get used to reading and understanding English more quickly. You can also follow English-speaking influencers, news channels, or content creators on social media. Every time you check your feed, you'll see posts in English. This helps you stay connected to the language and learn new things in a fun and easy way. Step 2. Start speaking out loud every day. Now that you're listening to and reading more English, it's time to start speaking it. Speaking out loud is one of the most effective ways to become fluent. You might feel shy or embarrassed at first, but trust me, it really works. One simple way to practice is to talk to yourself in English. You can describe what you're doing, what you're thinking about, or what you see around you. For example, if you're cooking dinner, you can say out loud, "Now I'm cutting the vegetables." Next, I will boil the water. It may sound silly, but this kind of speaking practice helps you get used to forming sentences naturally. Another great idea is to record yourself. Choose a topic you like. Speak about it for a few minutes, and then listen to your recording. When you listen to yourself, you can hear what sounds good and what needs improvement. You'll become more aware of your pronunciation, sentence structure, and speaking speed. It's also a great way to track your progress over time. If possible, try to find someone to speak with. This can be a friend, a teacher, or a language exchange partner online. Talking with another person helps you practice real conversations. You learn to listen, respond, ask questions, and express your ideas in a natural way. The more you speak, the easier it becomes. Step 3. Learn phrases, not just words. One of the biggest mistakes learners make is trying to memorize individual words without learning how to use them. Instead of learning just vocabulary, focus on learning whole phrases and expressions. This will help you speak more fluently and naturally. For example, don't just learn the word busy. Learn the phrase, I'm really busy right now, or I've had a busy day. This way, you learn how to use the word in real conversation. When you remember phrases, you don't have to stop and think about grammar rules every time you speak. You can also try mixing English phrases into your own language when you talk with friends or family. Use expressions like, by the way, in my opinion, or that's interesting, while speaking your native language. This will help you feel more comfortable using English in everyday situations. Watching movies and TV shows can also help you learn how native speakers use these phrases. Pay close attention to their tone, rhythm, and the way they move their mouth. Try to copy them. This kind of practice makes you sound more natural and confident. Step 4. Work on your pronunciation. Speaking English fluently also means speaking clearly. Good pronunciation helps other people understand you. Even if you know a lot of English words, if your pronunciation is not clear, people may not understand what you're trying to say. That's why it's important to practice how you say words. One of the best ways to improve pronunciation is to listen and repeat. Choose a video, podcast, or song and repeat what you hear. Try to copy the speaker's voice, speed, and intonation. Say the sentences again and again until they sound right. English has some sounds that can be difficult, especially if they don't exist in your native language. For example, the TH sound in think or the R sound in red can be hard to pronounce. Find these sounds and practice them often. You can say words slowly first, then practice them in full sentences. There are also many apps and websites that can help with pronunciation. Some of them can listen to your voice and give you feedback. These tools are very helpful and can show you what to improve. Step 5. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. One of the biggest problems many learners have is fear. They are afraid of making mistakes, of saying the wrong thing, or of looking silly. But making mistakes is a natural and necessary part of learning. In fact, mistakes help you grow and get better. Everyone makes mistakes, even native English speakers. What matters is how you react to your mistakes. Don't feel embarrassed or upset. Instead, see mistakes as chances to learn. If you say something wrong and someone corrects you, that's a good thing. It means you're learning. If you're practicing with a teacher or a friend, ask for their feedback. Ask them to help you improve. Learning from others helps you grow faster and gives you confidence. Remember that speaking fluently doesn't mean speaking perfectly. It means speaking comfortably without too much stress. Be kind to yourself and don't expect to be perfect. You are doing something amazing by learning a new language. Be proud of your progress and keep going. Step 6. Build your confidence. Step by step, speaking fluently is not just about knowing the right words or having great pronunciation. It's also about feeling confident. When you feel good about yourself, you speak better. Your voice becomes stronger and your words come out more easily. To build confidence, start by setting small goals. For example, tell yourself that you will speak English for 5 minutes every day, or make a goal to learn and use 3 new phrases each week. When you reach your goals, take a moment to celebrate. Give yourself a smile or a high five. It's important to feel good about your progress. You can also practice visualization. This means you close your eyes and imagine yourself speaking English fluently. Picture yourself having a fun and easy conversation. Imagine that you're smiling, speaking clearly, and enjoying the moment. This kind of mental practice can really help you feel more confident in real life. Remember, confidence doesn't come all at once. It grows slowly, one step at a time. But the more you practice, the stronger it becomes. Step 7. Keep practicing and stay consistent. The final and most important tip is to keep going. Don't stop. Learning a language takes time and effort. You won't become fluent overnight, but you will get better with steady practice. Create a daily routine that includes English. Choose a time that works for you. Maybe in the morning, during lunch, or before bed. Practice listening, reading, speaking, and writing. Even just 15 minutes a day can make a big difference if you do it regularly. Try to be part of an English learning community. Join a class, find a language partner, or become a member of an online group where people are learning English together. When you connect with others, you get support, motivation, and new opportunities to practice. There will be days when you feel tired or frustrated. That's normal. On those days, take a break if you need to, but don't quit. Always remember why you started learning English in the first place. Maybe it's for your job, your studies, or to travel. Maybe it's just something you've always wanted to do. Whatever your reason is, hold on to it and let it keep you moving forward. Conclusion and motivation. So now you know how to start speaking English more fluently. You've learned that immersion helps your brain get used to English, that speaking out loud every day is great practice, and that learning phrases is better than just learning single words. You know that pronunciation is important and that you don't need to be afraid of mistakes. You've also seen how confidence grows step by step, and that staying consistent is the key to long-term success. Remember, fluency doesn't mean perfection. It means being able to share your ideas clearly, comfortably, and with confidence. You can do this. You are already doing something amazing by learning English, and every day you are getting better. If this video helped you, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who are learning English too. And if you're ready to take your English learning to the next level, click the link in the description to join our English learning community. We're here to support you, cheer you on, and help you grow. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing, stay positive, and never give up. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, and happy learning.